That sucks. Hope they don't cancel it. Hi guys, I'm actually out of the office somewhere else. Um, Watching TV, and some stuff has actually surprising me. There's a storm right now. I'm right now watching the Weather Channel and watching something else right now, and they're saying it might not happen. Which I hope that's a big fat lie because I really want it to happen. The space thing. They're saying it might not happen today. Well, I don't know. It does start for like another 2.5 hours now. It's supposed to happen today. It's supposed to happen at 4:33 today, Eastern time. Which technically, if I'm still here at 4:33, I will actually be recording it on my phone. Right now. Tropical storm right now in Carolina. Oh, tropical depression. Okay. But right now, there's rain right now. There actually is rain right now in Florida near Cape Canaveral. I'm not watching it right now. I'll watch something else. I'm going to watch Spongin or something. SB. That's smelly. Hey, no name. Or say friend.
Maybe he's not a monster. Maybe he's an endangered species. We should help him. Go away! Can't you tell him he wants you? You're endangered. Not like that. With lots of love and affection, we can take care of him. Well, Smelly, here you are.
They understand is the surface covered in concrete.
I don't think Gary likes Smelly.
No, Gary's never attacked anyone like that, except Squidward. My guess Smelly can't live here.
He can come over me.
That's a great idea, Patrick. You always wanted a pet. Isn't that cute? Look how excited he is to get here. Bye, Smelly. Have fun at Patrick's.
No, Smelly. Squidward doesn't like pets. Hey, Smelly, wanna play catch? Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Almost. Again. So close. Yeah, now you're good. Smelly, what's gonna do? Animal control. There's a wild animal loose in my house. Sure, I'll hold. Smelly, come back! Smelly!
What's all the commotion?
You're surrounded. There is no way out.
Smelly! Excuse me? Pardon me? I can just scooch through there. Excuse me? Pardon me? Excuse me? You leave Smelly alone. He's just a poor, dumb, wild animal.
Wild animals don't belong here, son. They belong in the zoo. Get him, boys.
Hit the hook.
Mommy, what is that thing?
I don't know, but it's hideous, isn't it?
This isn't good.
You're absolutely right. It's mustard.
No one should be treated like that. Not even someone as ugly as Smelly. Something needs to be done about this, and I know exactly what that thing is. Okay, Patrick, remember the plan?
Yeah. This one, right?
Dad. I'm talking about the plan to break Smelly out of his animal prison.
Good plan.
All right, I'll go down first. Keep a lookout and follow me.
You're my hero.
We'll get caught.
I'm screaming too loud.
Fear no longer, dear Smelly. We are here to rescue you. Understand? We are taking you home. Look how excited he is. Flip the switch, Patrick. Smelly, you're free.
You're surrounded. There's no use trying to run.
Let's only go first.
Don't worry, Smelly. You're safe with us.
Think we lost him.
Look, we're all one big happy family again. Let's see where this dark sewer's gonna lead. Oh, it's all right, Smelly. So we'll be home and you can sleep in that cozy little pet carrier you love so much.
Hey, I see light.
You're right, Patrick. That must be the way out. Whoa, where are we? Let's go ask those guys. Excuse us? Hey, they look just like you. Go, be with your real family. Go ahead, Smelly. I know you've come to think of us as a family, but it's better this way.
I've been missing SpongeBob.
Me too, buddy. Me too. But he's with his own kind now, where he belongs. And on that note, let us go back to where we belong.
Salutations, my children. Be ready for your daily dose of smooth jazz.
Can you answer this? What is the name of the Lounge family?
Hey, no. 45. We'll be back in a hot second. Back in a hot second. I need to do a thing.
For a free case review.
Out here, each new day is an opportunity to enjoy what's around you, to take pride in your land, to fire up reasons to be together, to collect new memories, and grow in fresh ways. With all that's changed, you've continued to live life out here to the fullest. So in more than 1,800 communities, we're here with everything you need to bring on the new day. Tractor Supply, everything you need for life out here.
I grew up in poverty, and meals weren't always easy to come by. Now with schools closing, 22 million kids across America have lost the school meals they depend on. If your family is in need, Nestle Pure Life and No Kid Hungry are here to help.
Local Now is here for you.
I need to work LA. Hey, America.
2 tablespoons of sugar.
You say the customers make their own rules. Let's talk data.
Only Xfinity Mobile lets you switch up your wireless data whenever.
I accept. 5G. Everybody's talking about how do I get it.
Everyone gets 5G with our new data options at no extra cost.
That's good. Next item, corner offices for everyone. Just have to make more corner corners in this building.
Chad, your wireless, your rules. Only with Xfinity Mobile. That's simple, easy, awesome. Switch and save up to $400 a year on your wireless bill. Plus, get $200 off a new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra.
I don't want Xfinity. I have Comcar.
All night, saw the basement light on.
I have Comcar. I don't need no Xfinity. I'm just killing time, guys. I don't understand. In Michigan, we like living here because it's nice and cool and stuff.
I felt like a failure, as many parents do. The problem was bigger than him, and he couldn't afford it.
Now,
He needed help, so I confronted him.
ooh, Captain Sauce. Captain Sauce was on.
He's been clean now for 4 years.
There's hope and help at Drug.
So right now, guys, it's just normal time right now.
Or go to MedicareHelpline.com.
He's doing this for fun.
651-4193.
I'm good.
I wasn't sure that. I was
Checking the weather right now, guys. Can't wait for this October. But right now, guys, we're checking to see what the. Ooh. I would like to do something I like doing right now, but right now I'm not going to do it because of the way the weather is. And I don't feel right. I mean, I feel off. Feeling like that for the past few days now. I need to eat some more stuff later. I need to eat something later.
Currently in
Which-
our area, 84 degrees.
I used to watch a guy at certain time, but in about 2 hours from now, we're gonna have some fun stuff happening. Right now, they're not talking about. They're talking about it off and on all more since noon. They've been talking about it off and on. According to what it looks like, they sealed them off recently. A few minutes before we started recording, they sealed them off. I'm checking the weather right now on my phone here. Looks like there's some rain right now in the Coldwater area, which is
Thunderstorms.
About-
83. Chance of rain, 40%.
about 30 miles that way. Or about 30, 40 miles that way. No, it's constant. No,
Tonight, cloudy. A
Or is
slight
that
shower
way?
or Thunderstorm is possible. Low 66. Winds lightly vary. Thursday, thunderstorms likely. High 76.
I'm going nowhere for the past 2 days.
80%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
It's dry right now. It looks like it's going to rain today and tomorrow. Maybe I have to go to the post office. I mean, I go to the post office. Try to go to the post office at least once a week. Breaking now.
Breaking news right now, you are watching Air Force One as it's flying near and over Kennedy Space Center. President Trump is on his way to watch our historic launch today.
There's some rain in our area, but that's about it.
The Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon Crew
Oh.
capsule about to take off.
President's
and
going to
make
Florida.
history. This will be the first time in about 9 years that we have humans that are being taken off from U.S. soil.
About 9 years.
Is of great
So about
concern
10 years.
today, and it's a 50% chance of a go because of weather right now. You can see
It's raining
that
right now.
Rain is coming down right
Um,
over the capsule and the rocket, and it's not thunder or lightning in the vicinity. But earlier today, about an hour ago, there were severe storms in the vicinity. A tornado warning was issued.
So yeah,
Just
so within
north of Kennedy Space
little bit.
Center for parts of Brevard
there's a guy
County.
actually outside with the.
And
There's a guy right now outside next to the camera they're showing, wiping the lens off.
A no-go at that time. Very unnerving to see these unsettled conditions as we're getting within just over an hour and a half or so away from the launch. So there is a window of opportunity for this to still happen. We've been listening in to NASA command and into control there. And here's what they had to say just a few moments ago about the impending weather situation.
Today, we are not tracking any issues on Dragon and F9 currently.
That's good.
For a weather update, the weather line that is overhead, which is what you saw when you were ingressing, is now moving offshore. The next radar return is a cell over Orlando, which is expected to be our decision gate for today, and that is currently eroding.
My eyes are red looking.
And-
Wow. Look, it's allergies, guys.
Copy. And then one additional item, the Cabo, the orbit site, remains as briefed, so no change there. But I do want to make you aware that that is slightly west of Cabo for go weather. So you just want to target the longitude if needed.
They're using tablets and computers right now.
Okay, Dragon copy, slightly west. We'll target the longitude, and the suit air has cooled off, so we appreciate that as well.
So that happened just moments ago. So let's analyze the radar.
So
Take a
maybe.
look at
Right now,
what's
Trump's
going
going
on
to Cape Canaveral to see the launch.
ahead.
That's kind of cool.
This area that you see right there is where the launch pad is, 39A, and that's the rain that's coming down in the area. Notice we have lightning detection on here too, and there are no lightning strikes within the area. That's a little bit of good news. So let's go ahead and zoom out and get a handle on what's going on a little bit closer towards the Orlando area, because those are the new storms that are
right now. It's 73 degrees right now at the landing strip.
Cause some of these issues. Now the red that we have on top of there shows you the area where we have above, where we have the instability, right? Where we are expecting storms to still be in an environment where it will be favorable for them to occur. But notice over here, over the Space Coast, we're not seeing that any longer because we have the cooler air that came in after the thunderstorms, and that could create that window of opportunity to keep things stable. It's also difficult for these thunderstorms to get going right here over by Orlando, between Orlando and Kissimmee. So that's going to be the main area of concern. You can see those storms are trying. You know, when they were in the red area, certainly we saw them kind of blowing up a little bit, and now they're hitting into that unstable or that stable pocket, and they're just having a hard time sustaining themselves. So fingers crossed that this will be the trend that continues over time. Let's see if we can get to our future radar now. And this is our latest high resolution short-term computer model. And it puts all of the data in here and predicts what conditions may look like on radar in the future.
Okay, right now it looks
here, hour by hour. 4 o'clock, there you can see thunderstorms.
Ooh, we might not be doing it.
The launch pad, certainly within the vicinity of that, and that would look like a no-go if this holds together and holds true. That would be.
So we don't know yet. I'm going to change it because I'm not watching it right now. But yeah. Oh, I hate this episode.
Just say the words. Oh, Brent.
There we go.
Depends on the radar.
So we're gonna watch some. We're gonna
encouraging.
So who knows, guys? Let me see what else on TV. I'm leaving it on this channel, but yeah, looks like within 90 minutes we're gonna have the launch. 93 minutes.
That's a little bit rosier, but it really gives you.
So it's risky, guys. It might happen, might not. Ooh, I get paid this week. Ooh, I get to do that too. Wait, Friday? I don't know. Sunday I got something to do this weekend. Oh wow, it is dark. But right now, guys, it looks like we're doing pretty good right now. Yuck. More crap I don't care about. Trump's not there. Trump's still going to be in NASA in a little bit. So yeah, guys, some stuff is happening, but nothing really actually is happening.
Slab City is a community located in the electricity,
That
no
might be my
running
fan.
water, and no law enforcement. Out of curiosity, me and the boys decided to spend 24 hours in Slab.
That means Bombay Beach, California.
Slab City. and
Slab
I think
City.
there's roads and
Stab
stuff,
City
and
in
once
GTA
you
5
take
is
a
like.
it's nothing. No building, no nothing. So we're on the outskirts of Slab City. This right here is Salvation Mountain. It's a tourist attraction, and they recommend you don't go any further that way. It says keep out, Chandler. It says, I guess there's no walls.
Yeah, I heard about this place. This guy actually made it. It's mostly made out of hay.
So we're at the top of Canyon Mountain, and Slab City is that way a little bit more. And yeah, guys. So we discovered this cave, and it has art on the walls.
I'm not doing it. I'm not going in.
Chandler, go in. Go, Chandler.
This looks like something out of a horror video game. 100%.
GTA 5 had this.
I don't want to go in there. No, we're not going in there.
Oh, this is incredible. Look up, guys. Just look up.
I have so many questions about how all this got here. Like, we're literally in the
It's
middle
hay
of
and
the
paint.
desert.
It's really a mixture of hay and paint.
For Slab City, the last free place on Earth.
That's me, Ian, Chris. Look. Oh, Chris.
Where's FedEx delivering to? That's what I want to know.
Right back, guys.
I think we should go now, guys. Yeah. It's kind of creepy. Here. Nope.
I'm not going in there. Gary, you have fun. I'm going back to the car.
What is this?
What is the food? On a grave.
That was a bad movie, anyways.
I don't know where we're going.
I'm just scared something's gonna jump out of here.
Dude, this is very scary.
Yeah, let's get up here. I'm done. Hey,
Garrett, look, it's you.
Attention, guys, we are under a severe weather warning. Repeat, we're under a severe weather warning. Guys, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I repeat, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning. We are now going to be staying on until further notice.
Has been issued for our area.
We are under a severe thunderstorm warning, guys. I repeat.
Issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph.
Oh shit! We're under a warning, guys. Repeating, we are under a severe thunderstorm warning.
This is NOAA Weather Radio Station.
Okay, guys, we're under severe weather warning, so you know what that means. Go to channel 11 and listen to the buzzer. You guys listen to the buzzer. I have to contact some relatives, make sure they're doing all right. I'll be back in a minute, guys. I have to contact some relatives, make sure they're doing fine. Back in a minute, guys.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Middlebury or New Ocean, moving north at 10
Middlebury?
miles per hour. Hazard: 60
Oh, that's
miles
close.
per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, White Chicken, Union, and Westville. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 95 and 108. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph.
The Development Center at St. Mary's College is an accredited preschool and child care center for ages 3 through 5. Visitors are welcome every Wednesday morning at 9:30 a.m. through May 13th.
Yes, for Cass, St. Joseph County. Yeah. It's kind of weird. My room's dark and the living room's bright. If that makes any sense. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this. I was going to wait for the space launch. Yeah, now it's getting dark on one side of the house, and the other side it's nice. Yeah, there is a call just so you guys know that we're under a warning now. So you guys know what you are and we are. You see here. WNDU. I'm going to the South Bend station I have on my TV here. Oh, great. The only thing's on here is the coronavirus. That's all it's on here. Yep, here we go. Okay, WNDU's popped up on the TV. Severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Michigan, Indiana, Cass, and St. Joseph County, Michigan. It's popped up, and it's, yeah. They're showing it right now on there, okay. It's going to be checked here. WWMT. Okay, 3 doesn't have nothing on here. It's here. 87. It's here. Wood TV. Nope. Your station's showing it, but my station's not showing squat. Your TV station is showing it. CBS 12. Okay, there we go. I'm on WSBT channel 12, and it's showing like Union, White Pigeon, Montville, and a good chunk of Elkhart County right now on the screen. Bristol, White Pigeon, Union, and Montville. Yeah. Stay tuned to channel 22 or channel 12 for me and you. For more information, right now it's showing, it says Cass, St. Joseph, Michigan, and it's showing Elkhart County. Okay, there we go. It looks like it might hit Steuben too, it looks like. Yeah, right. What's basically yelling at? Okay, it's gonna be until 3:30. They're saying the bottom of the screen. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to keep an eye on this. Are you guys playing the Wii? I can hear the dinging. So yeah, they're saying Millbury Goshen moving towards north at 10 miles an hour. Hazard is 69-mile-per-hour winds, gust around 60 plus, and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. So now I need to go to the garage. Now I have to go to the garage now and clean the garage up. So I'm gonna put the car in the garage. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside now and clean the garage up. So she can put the car in there. Yeah, Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, Bronson, White Pigeon, Union, Montville, Porter Township. Porter Township is the same thing as Montville. I mean, it's Union. So yeah, just tell you guys so you know. So the car's out, and we want to put in the garage. So yeah, just tell you guys so you know. I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, I had to talk to my grandparents. They live about 3 miles. I had to call my grandparents because they live in Cass County, which is next, like, a couple skips from here. I'll be right back, guys. I have to go to the outside to get something done real quick. I have to clean the garage out before Mom comes home with the car and stuff. So I'm going to change this to the Weather Channel. The weather radios went off already twice so far, so.
Storm within that.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
I'll be back in a minute, guys. Let's clean the garage out for
But another one potentially could develop on the back side of this. So this is going to be a very close shave. This could come down to the minute. The weather go or no go is supposed to be announced 45 minutes before that launch. And if it is a go, they could still call it because of weather within 5 seconds between the launch time. Imagine the pressure of being one of the meteorologists on this team. Having
I would take this in advance. If we lose power, start in advance. I'm going to be going to a local affiliate.
Where you see pop-up showers and thunderstorms.
I don't think Kalamazoo can reach it. I mean, there we go. Yes, St. Joseph. It's not
that is their baby. Now it's like Fort Knox. Babies are locked up. There are multiple armed risks, but that's because this was able to occur. So,
okay, guys.
Dog Bart. He was the neighborhood bad dog. Bad dog.
Great that he would I would take a nap in his bed and he would I would wake up and he'd just be in the same position.
TV46 is still around? I thought TV46 left. So it's unknown.
And being like he would
When you said TMI before, now we didn't get to that realm. All right. Exactly.
the crazy.
Usually at 4 o'clock, guys. We'll usually at 4. So we'll see how this is for. But I'm gonna go get some stuff done real quick, guys.
That you spent on her.
I'll be back in a minute, guys. I have to.
The crew, if they had to abort after launch.
I'll
So
be back,
that was
guys.
one I found to be extremely interesting and going on a trajectory all the way up into much higher latitudes as well in the Atlantic Ocean. So as we're looking right now, as we continue to watch, it does still look like a go at this point for launch. Coming up in a little bit more than an hour, less than an hour and a half now, expecting that launch that we plan to cover and carry for you live here on the Weather Channel. I want to show you some new video right now of what we're also tracking. And if you're watching us this morning, Tropical Storm Rain. That's right. Here in Ocean Isle Beach, North Carolina, some heavy rain being brought in, pummeling the region because of Bertha. That's right. A very quick spin up, essentially. What went from a low chance of development to development here. And I think that's also a testament, unfortunately, to the way things are looking this year. We are expecting warmer temperatures in the water in the Atlantic Basin when we look at hurricane season, which begins next week. And we've already had 2 storms.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
having an active season. But our predictions, all the predictions of the major outlets here, saying that it's going to be an above average year for hurricanes. And you have to kind of wonder, already a couple of tropical storms, a couple of named storms, Arthur and then Bertha. With right now, not a great day at the beach. You can see the flags flying there at Myrtle with winds at 15 miles an hour, rain and the rough surf. We can certainly see here, and we are expecting to still have to deal with this storm, which is not actually a tropical storm anymore. It's a system. It is a tropical depression Bertha, and as of the latest advisory, the intermediate advisory at 2, the next advisory coming at 5 o'clock. So hopefully just after launch time, we'll be getting the next update from the National Hurricane Center. But the latest update here, 35-mile-an-hour system. It is moving to the north-northwest at 15 miles an hour. And this is the forecast cone. The center of the system expected to go somewhere within here, but about a third of the time or so it goes on the outside of this. Bottom line, though, whether you're within this area of red or near this area of red, because it's a pretty decent-sized system, expect some heavy rainfall as it moves to the north. And it's going to be crossing a couple states between now and tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, it should be over West Virginia and Virginia.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
The yellow across the southern and eastern suburbs of Charlotte, North Carolina right now, with more rain on the way. Big slug of moisture, and then when this moves farther to the south, or to the north, coming up from the south, gets into the Appalachians, the mountains get a little bit more lift. You get a little bit more oomph here. More rising air means more clouds and more rain. So while looking maybe about 2 inches of rain widespread, can't rule out 2 to 4, possibly up to 8 inches. There's always this big wild card with tropical systems or former tropical storms of seeing a flood threat, flood danger out of this. Winds over the water still pretty strong, gusting to 20 to 30, even strong to 30
miles per hour with quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, Whitehaven, Union, and Martville. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 95 and 108. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Cass and St. Joseph. This is NOAA weather radio station KXI 94 in Angola. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Middlebury or the ocean, moving more than 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
We're going to send this guy's tough photo notice.
Hail damage to vehicles is
We're kind of going to keep an eye on the storm here.
expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
It's Southern Cass County, southern.
Impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, Whitehaven, Union, and Martville. This includes
Montville's in Michigan. Bristol's our direct state line, about hop and a skip. Now, Montville's about 13 miles south of us, so keep an eye on this because we might get hit.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan: Cass and St. Joseph. This is NOAA weather radio station.
So we're going to kind of keep an eye on this kind of, for the notice.
Our website via weather.gov/IWX. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Middlebury or the ocean, moving more than 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size
Antenna TV.
Entries. Locations affected include Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, White-Kitchen.
Here's your logo again?
This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 95 and 100.
That's not right.
For your protection, we'll fill an interior room on the
Change it
lower
on
floor
me?
of a building.
I can get Antenna TV anymore?
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m.
I can
Eastern
get
Daylight
Antenna
Time
TV
for the following
top.
counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the
I'm
following
gonna say the
counties:
facts of life.
Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. This is NOAA Weather Radio
6.
Station KX94 in Angola.
Well, guys, we do keep an eye on the storm.
Website via weather.gov/IWX. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe
The TV screen will frequency, guys.
northeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern Cass County, and southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County, and southwestern Michigan until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Middlebury.
Hockey's on right now.
Moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts at quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Middlebury, Bristol, White-Kitchen, Union, and Westville. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana.
That might be the TV or the store. This is out of Angola. I think we're having some frequency problem. Oh my, it's getting.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph.
Okay, guys, I don't know what's going on.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Elkhart, southeastern Cass, and southwestern St. Joseph counties. At 3:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bristol, 47 miles northeast of Dillon, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Middlebury, Bristol, White-Kitchen, Union, and Westville. For your protection, you'll find an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Elkhart, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan, Cass, and St. Joseph. This is a special weather statement for the following counties: Branch, Michigan. A strong thunderstorm will affect central Branch County. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Fremont, or 8 miles south of Coldwater, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Wind in excess of 40 miles per hour and having hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Coldwater, Quincy, Kinderhook, Batavia, East Gilead, Marble Lake, Lake of the Woods, and Coldwater Lake. This includes Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 2 and 15. This is NOAA Weather
Branch,
Station KX94
12.
in Angola. Visit our website via weather.gov/.
Good old maps work, you know. If you have a map of your state, or
Weather statement for the following counties:
you know, just,
Branch, Michigan. A strong thunderstorm will affect central
okay,
Branch
Branch County, let's see here.
At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Fremont, for 8 miles
Fremont.
south of Coldwater, moving north at 10 miles per
Oh,
hour.
Beaumont.
Wind in excess of 40 miles per hour and having hail are possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Coldwater, Quincy, Kinderhook, Batavia, East Gilead, Marble Lake, Lake of the Woods, and Coldwater Lake. This includes Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 2 and 15. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Elkhart, southeastern Cass, and southwestern St. Joseph
The
counties.
storm's
At 3:11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bristol, 47 miles northeast of Dillon, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per
two
hour.
maps here, 3 maps in this house. One's 2 Alice's, one's county. Another information in Indiana. We're also under a flood warning. We are going to have to. So let's order it.
This is a pancake bar. It has a truckload of peanuts and a caramel corn against the jar. It's 10.5 centimeters wide, so once you get the cake size, it's 14.7
And goal is I can't get.
Natural gas is pure. 3. Benzol is made from.
Hi, Joe Namath here, and like you, I'm at home staying. But I wanted to get.
I can't get Grand Rapids. It's gonna get.
Certain times a bit easier.
A severe thunderstorm has been issued for our area. 83 degrees under mostly cloudy
Right now, guys, looks like we're doing good right now, but we are under severe weather until further notice. Damn it. We are under a severe thunderstorm warning. Okay. Vaughn County. Okay, Cass and Eastern County, Michigan are under severe thunderstorm warnings until 3:30, which is going to be ending in about 12 minutes from now, and within an hour from the following item we want to see. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cass, St. Joseph County, Michigan, and Elkhart, Indiana. The cities affected in our Michigan area are Montville, White Pigeon, Union, and Cass County, and such thing. We're keeping an eye on this right now. Right now, it looks like we're also under a flood warning now too. The St. Joseph River in Three Rivers is now also under a flood warning until further notice. If you live near St. Joseph River in Three Rivers, you're already better not pumping it right now. You're gonna have to do more pumping to do a little bit. That means the name's gonna burn.
Welcome back to Weather Center Live. We're continuing to watch weather conditions right now at Kennedy Space Center.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Of course, ever so important because we have a historic launch which is supposed to take place at 4:33 p. Eastern time.
So about 12 minutes.
And weather is the one factor
Hour 12.
that could scrub this thing. Here's a live view right now, and conditions have improved dramatically from earlier today. We had severe thunderstorms.
Wait, Dunlap?
Just a couple of miles.
Where the hell's Dunlap at?
Those storms have now pushed east.
Bristol's like 20 miles from here. Now it's getting darker out.
Over the launch site have really stabilized themselves. We've had some rain.
All right, you don't go there, Fox. You go here.
On the rocket and the launch pad as well. You can see it's still kind of light and scattered across the region, but the current threat has passed off towards the east. But what
I got some milk.
next?
Help me out.
Are we going to have to stay dry? Are thunderstorms going to stay out of the area when launch has to take place? And we are watching thunderstorms still trying to fire up around the Orlando Kissimmee area that have been tracking off towards the east. Now, the good news is the temperatures have cooled down in that stable area.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
Trying to fire up just have been suppressed. They're having a very hard time doing that. So let's hope that that trend continues and that weather will be more favorable to get that rocket and that Dragon Crew capsule up at 4:33 when we need to do that. There's really no wiggle room on this at all. So this is not really a launch window. This is a launch time that's going to take place. And they're supposed to make an announcement 45 minutes before launch. So we're getting within that half an hour window or less of that happening at quarter till the hour. So, Chris, of course, we will let you know what they say, if it's still going to be a go or a no-go at that time. time. I know we've also been tracking not just this today, we've got another big weather story that escalated very quickly this morning. All of a sudden, hello, we had Bertha.
Yeah, if you work the night shift and you're just waking up and tuning in right now, we got some news for you. We had ourselves a tropical storm this morning, and that was past tense because it has made landfall, and Bertha, is now a depression. Tropical storm Bertha.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for our area.
So, guys, so we're going to keep an eye on this later on, guys. But we're going to see this on TV right now because, you know,
Not too long after it became.
if I start seeing rain or hail, then we'll worry about it.
With Bobby after I did all this. Dude, remember the first time Bobby came over to Casa Loud?
It's the most adventure you can have in self-isolation.
Adventure Wednesday starts tonight at 8.
Maybe I'll put some on TV.
Sunday.
Today, Jason and Viviana signed the divorce papers. Is that a wedding band?
Wrote a Glamour article recently about mommy brain.
Yeah.
And I know people question if it's real. It's real.
Junkyard Empire.
Like, so what made you want to do it? Were you just like
Kelly Clarkson's a jerk.
Right when I was pregnant, this study came out, and it.
I'll wait until, you know. No offense, I like Kelly Clarkson. She was just wasted money on TV. Now I'm going to watch this till 4 o'clock, then our Fox affiliate will be on.
Everyone's doing what they can to get through these times.
I throw away the milk because the milk went bad.
Mercedes-Benz is making vehicle maintenance and buying needs as
It's about all I've been doing like that. And I upload some videos. There were videos left. I deleted them because I need them. It's killing time, guys.
as well as special finance arrangements.
We got a few more minutes before we can go off.
Servicing your vehicle shouldn't be a challenge in these already challenging times. Get 0% APR financing up to 36 months on most models and 90-day first payment deferral on any model.
And about
And we can do that all day. BMW. But to score big, oh, this might be a fixer-upper. You gotta gamble. That's a lot of money for this one. When you deal in junk, nothing's ever a sure thing.
I'm gonna throw up.
Any thought? Hey guys! But with help from an unlikely source, turn this into a Smokey and the Bandit car. Then we can make our money back. I can keep my empire growing, one car at a time. From rust and dust to pure lust.
They say the working class man is history. Not in my yard. Give me something busted or wrecked. I'll fix it up or strip it down. Either way, I'm making money. I'm Andy Cup. This is my junk, my people, my empire.
Come on, man, we got stuff to do. Like the saying goes, one man's trash is another man's treasure. Hello, Andy Auto Books. My business. It's an automotive reclamation engineering facility. But we just call it the junkyard. Yeah, there's space at all in the back of the yard. I've got this place running like a well-oiled machine. You need to jump up there and show you how to do this? What kind of pup are you looking for? A bullet? Yes. So I'm able to focus on what I love. Finding cars that I can flip for big money. Where you going? Auctions. As long as my dad stays out of my way. It doesn't start till 1 o'clock. That's right, I gotta go look at cars. We're a stripping and scrapping company, period. 48 years I've been doing this. Bob, you can handle it. I know I can handle it. I handle it better when you're here. He needs to keep his butt here. This is ridiculous. Jump. Maybe. We're at Capital Auto Auction right now. We're going to take a look around, see what kind of cars they have here. This is where I find most of my stuff, so hopefully we can find some good cars. VW. I'm here to find the cars that make me the most money. Maybe. Yeah, I look for cars to strip, but what I'm really looking for is potential. BMW. Crap. Good parts car. Not a drop of oil. Man, so much junk. Oh, this is up my alley. This is my era 77 Trans Am. This is what I grew up on, and this is what I can relate to. Man, it doesn't look hateful. Why does the hood have so much rust? Good parts car. I already have one of these Trans Am at the yard that I've been picking at for years. They're great parts cars because they're not easy to find. Got the 6.6, which is a good motor. This could be a diamond in the rough. This might be a fixer-upper. Classic cars sell really well because they don't make them anymore. You can't find these things. If I can fix this thing up, I can get up to 20 grand for it. Anyway, look at it. I'm buying it.
All right, you guys, taking to the next one here. It's a 1977 Pontiac Trans Am, a blast from the past. How much gotta go? About $1,000 now. I'm all take on $100, $150,
There's no guarantee this car will even run. So I'm not bidding any more than $500 for it. If somebody wants to pay $550, I don't get caught up in that. I just let it go.
$500 over my day. $500.
Awesome deal. It's a no-brainer. Even as a parts car, I'm going to make money. But I think I'm going to try and fix it up. Diamond in the rough. Thing's really rusty. Yeah. I got the Trans Am sent over to the shop, so my new techs Jeff and Alan can pop the hood and figure out what we're dealing with. Should be good right out here.
Man, I'm just a regular working class schmuck that really digs these old cars. I'm actually willing to pass down my years of wisdom to Alec and his Twitter generation.
Oh, Twitter.
Surprised the hood's still in one piece, man.
Yeah.
At least the engine's still in there. I hope I can get it on at least. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, well, that's nice and loose. Looks like it hasn't been touched in about 10 years. Well, that battery. So what I'm doing is taking the battery out and seeing if I can get the dump box cables on the wires for a better connection. It's not even trying to crank over. It's still not enough connections. All right, well, that's not working at all. So I'm going to go through it and check all of my connections to the starter and make sure nothing's corroded.
Ooh, Stingray.
That's pretty sweet. Hey, Bobby, the bed's here. As if the Trans Am wasn't enough work, Andy's throwing another freaking project in our laps. What's going on? It's not lunch, but it's something pretty. It's free. Pretty, not free. The vet Andy boy.
Who buys a $20,000 car online and then he decides he's too busy to build it? I'll tell you who. My loving son, Andrew, drops it all on me.
It's going to cost them to fix it back up. One that's all reconditioned. What is it going? It's all about style, man. Style, sweet. You know what it's about? The bottom line, not style.
A 70 Stingray? This thing could go for 35 grand once it's fixed up. And my dad's got nothing going on anyway. This could be an easy flip for him.
Put some side pipes on it, some wheels, a little bit of paint, give it that real 70s vibe, you know? I don't know. I think you paid a lot of money for this car. I think it's a good one. Any issues with the motor? Looks pretty solid. I got to dig a little bit deeper, but hey, I'm pro.
Andy's already $20,000 into this car. Man, I hope Jeff's right.
That's a lot of money for this one. But I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. He's got a better eye than I do. But don't tell him I said so. Okay? Because I like to be on his